I think ultimately working with manufacturers is challenging. The world and the industrial landscape at the moment is a challenge. But I think it always will be, because there is always in engineering and in manufacturing this pursuit of greatness, this pursuit of doing things better. So every day you're experiencing a new challenge. We're here to support manufacturers with those challenges, and actually our engineering team quite like those challenges.
We strive to choose unique construction and, more importantly, unique materials. There is no other rotary table in the market built of a hardened core. You can be assured of the reliability and the longevity of that product every day.
As NIKKEN, the vast majority of our products are built and manufactured at our main site in Japan, and in Europe, at our innovation centre is really where we develop those products. So we make sure that they're working the best for our customers. So whether that's designing a new product or showing a customer how to use the product, the manufacturing of our products, we've got a lot of it in-house, so it's very vertically integrated. So by keeping all of our manufacturing processes in-house, we keep a tighter control over the finished product.
NIKKEN is the pinnacle of what we do, and it's all about precision and performance and looking after the customer and giving them an excellent ROI on everything they need.